everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you a series on eyes for the month of February, because February is AMD Low Vision Awareness. AMD stands for Age-Related Macular Degeneration. So let's tell you a little bit about this month. AMD Low Vision Awareness Month is observed annually through February. It's an awareness month targeted at spreading more information about age-related macular degeneration and diseases affecting the eyes that could lead to visual impairment. Putting out the right amount of information about AMD and low vision is important to promote early detection and cancel out whatever false beliefs may circulate about both illnesses. AMD affects approximately 15 million people in the United States. Yes, I have AMD. The history of AMD Low Vision Awareness Month. I told you what AMD stands for. It is an illness that is the leading cause of low vision in Americans older than 50 years of age. The part of the eye affected by this disease is the macula, a pigmented oval-shaped part of the retina, about 5 millimeters in diameter. It is responsible for the central vision required for driving, reading, and fine detail, containing a high number of photoreceptor cells that detect light. It is also responsible for high-resolution vision. AMD is a progressive disease that causes retinal cells to slowly die, though it causes no physical pain. Medical experts have been able to identify some risk factors that might lead to the onset of AMD, that include high blood pressure and high levels of blood cholesterol. Other risk factors that a person has no control over are your age, heredity, race, and gender. Symptoms of the disease include blurry vision, blind spots, straight lines appearing wavy, doorways seeming crooked, and objects appearing further away or smaller. When any of these symptoms present themselves, the concerned individual is advised to immediately visit an ophthalmologist. There is no cure for the disease. AMD never causes blindness, so it is impossible for a patient to live normally with the disease by adapting to the quality of vision they have. It is possible to adapt to live with it. On the other hand, low vision is a visual impairment that cannot be corrected by surgery, glasses, contact lenses, or even pharmaceuticals. Its symptoms are blurry vision, tunnel vision, blind spots. Low vision does not lead to complete blindness. In fact, it can be improved with the use of visual aids. AMD is one of the most common causes of low vision, alongside diabetes and glaucoma. Though anyone can be affected by low vision, individuals 45 years and older face more risk. I do have diabetes-related eye issues. So, let's go and see if we can find some more. Let's see. Can stress make macular degeneration worse? It has been observed that stress may be associated with increased inflammation. Because AMD is an inflammatory disease, it is possible that stress may contribute to its progression. Does lack of sleep affect macular degeneration? Insomnia has been identified as a sign of increased risk of developing AMD. Who is the best doctor for macular degeneration? With macular degeneration, a medical specialist called a retinologist is required because the macula is part of the retina, and I do see a retinologist. How should you observe AMD Low Vision Awareness Month? 1. Protect your vision. It can be prevented by important lifestyle habits. Do all you can to protect your vision starting now. 2. Spread the information. Spread awareness about these illnesses by starting an online campaign or talking to others about it. The more people that know about it, the lesser chance the disease has to gain a foothold. 3. Exercise consideration for this affected. When you notice a person struggling with either AMD or low vision, be kind enough to make the situation more comfortable for them. Turn off a few lights, ask them if they need help getting to their destination, and render whatever form of help that you can. Unknown facts about AMD. 1. AMD is on the increase. The number of people diagnosed with AMD is expected to increase to 288 million by the year 2040. Number 2. The heavy cost of this global ailment. The global cost of vision loss is about $3 trillion for the 733 million people diagnosed with blindness and low vision worldwide. Number 3. It is more prevalent. AMD is much more prevalent than glaucoma and dry eye combined. Number 4. The patients come in at advanced stages. About 78% of AMD patients have irreversible vision loss by the time they seek treatment. And number 5. Low vision in its population. About 4 million Americans live with low vision, and I am one of them. Why AMD Low Vision Awareness Month is important. Number 1, awareness is spread. AMD Low Vision Month helps raise awareness about both illnesses. Those who have never heard of AMD Low Vision will get to learn about them thanks to the awareness campaign. 2, early detection is ensured. Early detection and treatment of both AMD Low Vision slow the progression of the disease, and hopefully this will lead to early testing. And number 3, sympathy is raised. Not only do people get to learn about these diseases, but they also learn how to support those affected by them. They learn what assistance they can offer to make life more comfortable. So I thought that was rather interesting for you guys to learn a little bit about it. I've been inserting some photos that maybe will help you guys out with a little bit about AMD. I do live with age-related macular degeneration, and hopefully this will give you an idea about what I see. My central vision is completely gone. I do have peripheral vision, and that's how I see. I do use visual aids when I am traveling. This is what I use to walk with. It is my guide cane. It's fully collapsed. And hang on. Now it's open. It's here. And it goes, I'm going to raise it up, down to here. This is called a marshmallow tip. It spins. Not that you can tell it spins, but it does. And I roll it side to side, side to side, to tell me where I'm going, so I don't bump into things. This is a special one. It has a spring handle in it, so that as I hit objects in my way, it has a spring in it, so I don't jab myself with my cane, because that's actually painful. I don't know why that stuck. It's weird. This is not metal. This is carbon fiber. It can be run over and it will still work. Not that I'm going to test that, but the videos they show, the company that makes this actually shows it being run over and still working. Any questions that you have about age-related macular degeneration or low vision, please feel free to ask those. I am more than willing to answer those questions for you to the best of my ability. I'm hoping to spread some awareness this month with my upcoming videos. So I hope you enjoy that. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yearning. Bye now.